In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello board. Whether you're creating a backup, analyzing progress in a spreadsheet, or sharing a snapshot with your team, exporting is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening Trello in your browser and signing in, then head to your boards view. This is the page that lists every board you can access. Find the board you want to export and click to open it. Make sure you have the right permissions on this board. If you're a guest or the board is heavily restricted, some export options might be limited. Inside the board, look toward the top right corner for the three-dot menu. This is Trello's board options menu. Click it to reveal more actions. From the menu that appears, choose Print, Export, and Share. This collects all the ways to get your board content out of Trello or share it with others. Now you'll see several choices. Print creates a clean, printer-friendly view of your lists and cards, and most browsers let you save that as a PDF if you prefer a digital copy. Export as CSV produces a comma-separated file you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or other data tools. It includes key fields like list names, card titles, labels, due dates, and more, which is perfect for reporting and sorting. Export as JSON gives you a structured data file that contains comprehensive details, ideal if you plan to import the data elsewhere or work with it programmatically. And Show QR code displays a scannable code that links to the board, handy for quick sharing during meetings or workshops. Choose the option that fits your goal. If you select CSV or JSON, Trello will prepare the file and your browser will download it. Name it clearly and store it somewhere you'll find later. Keep in mind that attachments themselves aren't embedded in CSV, and JSON will reference them by links. Also, depending on your Trello plan and workspace settings, CSV export may require elevated permissions or a paid plan. If you don't see it, JSON export is usually still available. Before you wrap up, double-check the exported file to confirm it includes the lists, cards, and fields you expect. If anything looks off, revisit the board, adjust filters or card fields, and export again. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find Trello's export tools and how to choose the right format for your needs.